This steering wheel is off of a 1958 Lincoln Continental Mark III. Really nice old car, but this steering wheel is definitely bringing it down. So take a look at what all we've got to do to get this one back to new. We have to remold all of the grip areas on this wheel, obviously, and get everything sandblasted and cleaned up. We're going to polish that chrome, get everything painted back to factory new after it's remolded, and we're going to take a look here in a little bit and after we've restored it and see just how amazing this Lincoln steering wheel looks. So take a look at this gorgeous 1958 Lincoln Mark III, all restored back to factory new. Looks absolutely amazing. You take a look at those before pictures, how it came in. It was in kind of sad shape, but we've remolded the wheel and resurfaced it, refinished it, repainted it back to factory new, and polished up those chrome pieces and put them back on there. So now it just looks amazing. So reach out to us here at craftcustoms.com. We look forward to working with you, and as always, you are going to love what you get. We guarantee it.